I have no idea how to recycle this at all. That'll be fun. We just did our first big grocery shop. I say big because it was like 4 bags and it's all that we could carry, but not enough to fill up the fridge. I'm going to get quite a bit of vegetables, which is something that I'm really craving here. I'm like laughing at all the tiny packages of everything though, and everything is wrapped. Every single thing is wrapped in plastic. Like, look how perfect these are, but perfectly wrapped. And the only frozen things we got are soups from Soup Stock. We also have an ice compartment, but it hasn't made ice yet. I think it's going to take about 24 hours. The fridge fits almost perfectly. I'm super happy with it. Also, for the first time, I think ever that I've had an apartment, I have a pantry. Usually have a bookcase. It is so large, even for American standards. Like, I can actually fit in here. We are still in the thick of it. We have no furniture, we have a bed, and we finally got a comforter today. We've been roughing it with a very thin blanket for like the past 3 nights. We've been mapping out the furniture with our luggage in the box for the mattress. We're gonna have a couch here, a TV console here with TV. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to block this window area, but there's no other way we can do it. We've also been looking at tatami to put here, and then like little bean bags and maybe a small low table here. And I am slowly working on getting some plants in here. It'll take a little bit. I am so excited to finally have furniture. We're gonna have the couch next Wednesday. Today is Thursday, so less than a week. TV console, have we bought that? No, we haven't bought it yet. What else are we getting? Oh, we're getting a table and chairs on my birthday, actually next week on the 21st. And second bedroom is another story. Actually, I don't think this is going to be a bedroom. I think it's going to be like a tiny office / guest room. I mean, you can't even really fit a bed in here. Honestly, not really sure what we're going to do. The bedroom has a tiny closet, so I'm using this as my closet for now. And yeah, I guess we'll see how it goes. idea how to recycle this at all. That'll be fun. We now have a couch. I'm so happy. It's quite large. The wall's right there, but I think it's good for us. It'll be so nice to actually sit on something. So nice to sit. Now we can have our confessionals on here. And our apology videos will be on here. Couch is set up, and now we have the TV delivered. We also got this beanbag a couple days ago. It's been amazing. So nice. Been waiting all day for those deliveries. I really need to edit videos, but I've been putting them off for some reason. I just ran out of lotion, so I think I'm gonna go to a pharmacy and I can take you along the way. Also need to figure out what to do with all this cardboard. This entire room has just become the cardboard room. I've broken down so much, but we just keep getting more and more. It's getting like very overwhelming. Last thing, I put this together and it is the perfect fit. I'm so happy with it. There's like absolutely no storage in here, so this is the perfect solution for that.
How beautiful is it? So perfect. Can't go out there. Like